I'd like to take the opportunity to explain some of the misunderstandings over the way words have been translated. In the word that they translated as sitting or seated on a throne, this is the hand of the Spirit. This is the Holy Spirit, who is the representative of Jehovah to flesh. This is the word seat. And what a seat of power means is they're the ones that are the head of the Jehovah seat of the earth is the Holy Spirit, who is the regent in charge during the Father's rest. There's a complete lack of understanding over who the Holy Spirit is. She is both intercessor and adversary, representing both the left and the right hands of the Father. This is the word that they translate as throne. The primary meaning of it is covered. But an alternate way to break the word down is this is the prefix as, and then this is a word say, which is a measure, determinative, defined. These are some of the understandings of the word. But I translated of the covered as defined because what is covered is the actual understanding of the throne of Jehovah. It could also be seen as the bedchamber of Jehovah, the seat of power, but it's also hidden what is actually going on there. All right? This is a word commonly translated as one, but the word for one is this. Echad. As you can see, the final letter is not the same. This is not translated according to Strong's, and it comes in two forms, Ekath and Akath. This is the constellation Draco and Ursa Minor combined. I translate it as the unity brother-sister at the end because it is both male and female, a gathering collective. This is when the sister is acknowledged and has her own constellation as the constellation Andromeda. These are the words they translate as forever and ever, but this one has different vowel points, and this one, the primary understanding is, again, concealed. And what is being concealed is the yoked who's of conceal. We all have a yoke. We can fight against it or not. It depends upon how miserable you want to be. To divinity, because we are a part of them. So if we take on our yoke, he won't make it too heavy for us. Some of us, anyway. And this is part of the purpose of the vowel points. The misunderstanding about them not being inspired is they weren't there from the beginning, but from the beginning they were all pictograph form anyway. And in the broadness of the words themselves, over time they needed to be narrowed to give boundaries to the words. And that is part of the purpose of a Mashiach, to embellish the words to give understanding to elevate the understanding of mankind.